Constitution envisions that the laws are passed by the legislature. They're presented to the governor, who can veto them, use a line item veto on appropriations, or pass them. Once they're passed, it's the duty of the governor, as you've all noted, to faithfully execute that law. It talks about the governor's duty is to affect the law as it emerges from the legislature. It is, the spending power is still restricted so that the legislative intent is substantially complied with. That did not happen this year. Your Honor, you have to look at the effect of these unallotments. It wasn't simply that we're going to delay them. Our client's special diets were eliminated in November. The legislature doesn't come into session again until February. It completely eliminated those diets. The legislature decided in May, when it passed the Health and Human Services Appropriation Bill, we will fund these programs. On the same day, the governor passed that. He had a duty to faithfully execute it, but he announced, however, I'm going to use unallotment. And then in June, he completely eliminated that program. That's the effect of nullifying the law, not simply delaying.
Could the legislature have eliminated this? I mean, could the governor have eliminated this program by line item veto?
No, Your Honor, the governor could not have. The Minnesota Supplemental Assistance Diet was one item in the budget.
Under your view, the governor has no authority to unallot.
Your Honor, we think the statute can be interpreted in a way that makes it constitutional if it's limited to its plain meaning. Receipts less than anticipated and the amount for the remainder of the biennium are less
And I asked you to assume those two facts had occurred here, and you said even if that's the case, the governor could not unallot this program during the time period July through until the legislature met again.
I think the key with all of the allotment reductions that are permitted is that they still have to ensure that the legislative intent is complied with. Picking one program over another, choosing which program to eliminate, is not sufficient guidance. The responsibility of the executive is limited to the spending power, not to spend wastefully. It does not extend to the legislative power to make policy decisions as to which programs to fund, how much to fund them, and when to fund them.